What should we do with old fences? Just over 90 years ago, G.K. Chesterton wrote about the kind of reformer who immediately sets about tearing down fences without any thought about their purpose. In his 1929 book, The Thing, Chesterton made the point that once we know the purpose of a fence, then we may consider taking it down, if it has served its purpose. He was using a physical example to illustrate a principle that can apply in just about any realm of life, but is of particular importance in the spiritual realm. When it comes to old fences, a metaphor for religious traditions, we tend to find ourselves in one of three categories. The first category is the tear it down mindset. Those are the folk who seek to destroy all traditional boundaries. They see all boundaries, well, really just the ones they don't like, as old, worn out, man-made restrictions that need to be cast aside like yesterday's garbage. Regardless of the original purpose, they have to go. We're seeing a lot of those folk on the news nowadays. Though seemingly focused on cultural issues, make no mistake, they're after old religious fences too. Those folks see the next two groups as Pharisees and hypocrites. The second group, call them the traditionalists, refuse to remove any fence no matter how old and outdated. In fact, the older the better, because it's encrusted with the aura of authority. They are comforted by that authority and uncomfortable with any change, and so they seek to preserve every old fence without examining their value and use. If it had a purpose once, who are we to challenge it is their mindset. They may be sincere and honest, or hypocritical, so we should be careful not to prejudge. These folks see the first group as no better than Eli's sons who tore down all fences in their disdain for God, 1 Samuel 2, verse 17. The third group respects authority and tradition out of respect for the God from whom all authority and tradition derives. They are willing to examine why the fence is there and then do what is necessary. If it should remain, they will gladly explain why and work to keep it in place. If it is no longer needed, or if the original purpose would be better served with a newer fence in a different location, they will work to remove it and build the new one where it belongs. Those are the children of God. The first two are easy as they appeal to our emotions and personal preferences. The last one is challenging because it requires aligning our personal preferences with God's. Which one describes you? Just some thoughts on Traditional Tuesday. Thanks for watching Morning Minutes in the Bible. Until tomorrow, this is James McClenny hoping you have a great day.